All the water's going down, but I know it's still flooded up at the lake because I had some friends who were out there yesterday. GoPro stopped recording. Big bear tracks. Those are not Blackie. That is old Grizz. Well, here it is. Wednesday, or no, Tuesday. Every day's the same when you're retired. Anyway, it's Tuesday, 19th September. There he is again. Jesus Christ, that's a big one. It was raining again last night. Everything's dripping. But we've got this one day where it's not supposed to rain. The sun is supposed to come out. And then there's rain for the foreseeable future. So I got to take advantage of it. This is just a generally goof off day. Little run around. And see what develops. On the drive in, I had a black bear cross the road right in front of me. And I hit the save button on the dash cam. So maybe I'll get a picture of that. Bear on the trail. Leaves are falling off the trees. Make for better visibility if I ever get back out doing some trail work. It's definitely cooling off. I had to put a sweater on under the field jacket. I'll just head up in here. Might turn off and see if I can clear some of that overhang off that other trail. Well, got nothing better to do, might as well go in here. Oh, it's dripping. Nope. Try and dodge most of this. do a little bit of work here. I hadn't planned on doing anything big today, so I didn't bring the little beaver with me. But the Swede does pretty good. Yeah, there's a little more. Just take a minute. Well, another good deed. And another one. Okay. Cleared a few more off. Turned off onto the left fork. See how things looking up ahead here. Yeah, a little more water in there than there was. Oh, shit. That's gotta go. I gotta unwedge myself here. Okay. Whew. Well, it didn't pop nothing. But this has got to go. Okay, worked up a sweat, but got rid of that. Keep on trucking here. Go. Well, got them out of the way. Went to put the saw back and found that turn off here. I must have snagged the lid of the cargo box because it bent up the latches. Had to spend a few minutes bending that back into place. But that ain't the first time that's happened. Head up top here. Enjoy the view. Well, still rapids in the river. Looks like the ice out there is thinned out a little bit. Still some big bergs over the other side. I head on down. Well, got the sun in my eyes here. Can't see what I'm doing. Yeah, the camera's on. That's the bad part about using voice commands. You got to be able to see it. Okay, here we are back at the junction. My original plan was to keep on going that way, but that tree I snagged, it caught me right in the wrist, right on top of my watch, and up on my bicep, and then slammed into the left side of my chest. Didn't break nothing, but I'm definitely pretty sore. It's kind of took the joy out of riding. So rather than keep on going and stiffening up, and I'm gonna head on back. I ain't whining. I've been hurting a lot worse than this, and still made it out. So